I'm making a quick video about this TV lift. Can't mind the name, I'll write it down below. It takes about 32 seconds to go up and 32 seconds to go back down again. It goes up at a set speed and just does a wee slow speed just before it stops, and the same when it goes down again. It does a wee slow speed before it goes down, but it wouldn't go down last night, and you just hear a squeak just before it's at the very top. I contacted Amazon last night and they gave me the contact details of the supplier, and any hassle they're going to ring me again on Saturday. So the only thing I might think, so that I'll put the other videos in along with this video here, there's a box of electronics that goes along with this. There's a possibility that the electronics, although there's a wee squeak, you might think, well, something rubbing or something, but it could be the electronics that went faulty, and it was actually doing the wee slow mode just before it stops, but it was doing it from the very beginning. I have no idea. So I'm making this video now to send to the manufacturer who made it. They want to see a video, and so we'll keep it about 5 minutes long or less. There's a fault with my TV. It's going down very slow. I push up. It's going at full speed. Go to push down. Barely moving. Barely moving. Well, that's a weird one there. I just rang Amazon there. I paid £290 for this TV lift. It's built in. It's made in Poland. Comes with European warranty and all. And I bought it. I literally paid extra for a European one because I don't want it going fire during the night like some Chinese ones might. That's in my bedroom, like. And when I was putting it down this last lock of days or so, it was a wee bit of wee squeak. Not a squeak, it's good. It didn't really concern me. I don't think you don't oil it anyway. Like, put it down the night, wouldn't go down. I taped it trying to go down. But as I was on the phone to a woman explaining, I decided to go down again. You know, but the thing is, she's built in. It was squeaking. She's going right. So give me the contact details now of the boy who sold it to me. Amazon still back it up with a 2-year warranty. So if he fails to do what he's supposed to do, they end up refunding the money. Listen to the noise. So there's something wrong with it. Wee burn or something. You can't put up and down, up and down, up and down. It says that in instructions. Like, you can only put up and down so many times within a certain time period. Probably because it starts overheating. But for me to make this here now, I need to tape it. So when it goes up, don't hear the squeaking when it goes up. And you think it's easier to put a TV down because the way the TV pushing down on it. A wee bit of a squeak. There's a wee bit of squeak. It's going to be a hassle taking that out there, you know. But the thing is, like that projector screen there I'm using, 15 years old, like, it still works up and down every night. That hasn't been used a big lot. I'll put it down once more now and I'll be up for the night before it overheats. Listen for the squeak, listen for the squeak. A lot louder, the squeak going down. Nothing wrong with it. So I'm on holidays now, I'm coming up. I'll take the TV off on Friday. I'll ring this boy tomorrow. I'll disconnect that It's not hard to disconnect, but if I didn't get the same model back, it mightn't be as easy to get a new model in. But if it still squeaks with no weight on it, I'll get a better idea where the squeak's coming from. But you see, it's got plastic guides on it. Something simple like a wee plastic guide. Maybe a bit of furniture polish. Sometimes you put furniture polish on blinds and stuff, don't you? But I'm not squirting nothing on it that I haven't been told to squirt on it. So I'll go ahead and report this fault now anyway. But she was going way slow. 3 or 4 times going way slow, wasn't going down. I said 3 or 4 times, twice, because it wasn't going down. So I stabbed a couple of times, put it back up to see if it goes down again. So I didn't actually put it, sorry, focus. I didn't actually put it down in one go. 3 or 4 times. 3 or 4 times I tried to get it to go down once. I was putting it down because I'm putting the projector on now. We're going to nighttime mode now. I'm going to put the projector on and get a cup of tea. Luna's waiting because she gets her wee treat. You get your wee treat when I get the tea on. We're getting our holidays now. So we are Christmas holidays off 11 days in a row. And I was thinking I might get this roof finished. Get all the roof. If I got the roof finished in this bedroom here, like the lights and all need moved, and get my projector mounted up. I got a proper bracket for the projector, and get all the HDMI cables and all put in. Well, now the TV's going to play up, Luna. I don't know. It's starting to go down again now, but it's still making a noise. On the way up, sometimes you hear the noise slightly, but not as much. Back down again. It's a lot louder going down. TV is 7.8 kilograms. I'll put it down now for the TV. The noise is still there. Slight noise when it gone up. There's a wee mark there showing up in camera that it's hard to see in this light here, but the camera's showing it up unless there's something, a wee burn or something inside rubbing. This is a model of the TV. 7.8 kilograms, so it is. That's the name of it there. But I'll tell you the thing is, I got it on the 17th of March, but it wasn't installed until my summer holidays in August. And I'm not using this room full time yet. I was going to start using it after Christmas. So it hasn't got a lot of use. A 5-year warranty from the manufacturer, but also has a 2-year, don't know what they call it, from Amazon, product support from Amazon. So if the manufacturer doesn't sort this out for me now, Amazon will back it up for 2 years. and she's going to ring me back now on Saturday to see how I got on with the manufacturer. The only thing with Amazon might give you a refund, but I still need a TV lift. So if the manufacturer can sort it out for me, it's all the better. But so I sent the message in to the manufacturer. Hey, this item has been making a noise when it goes down for a few weeks, but it has now started to take 20 times longer to go down than it does to go up. I have a video of it if you want me to send it to you. It may need to be replaced, thanks. So they wrote back to me then this morning. I need some information. I would ask for the video you mentioned. Has the problem been present since the beginning of the product's purchase? Have you tried operating the lift without a TV? If not, do so. What is the model of your TV? So basically what they're trying to say there, a plasma TV is heavy. I've got a QLED TV. It weighs less than, I think it's less than 6 kilograms, definitely no more than 7. This TV lift will do 30 kilograms. Now they might turn around and say the TV's too light. You don't know what they're going to come out with. So this morning I went down to try it after getting the email. When I tried the TV lift this morning, it has started to go back down again, but it is still making the extra noise. I tried it without the TV on it, and it's still making the squeaky noise as it goes down. I recorded it so I could send you the recording, but Amazon doesn't allow any file larger than 10 megabyte. I will make this into a video. I can't even read my own handwriting, I'm my own typing. I will make this into a video and upload it to YouTube tonight when I finish work, which is what I'm doing now. Haven't made it yet, I'm about the process of making it. Then I could send you a link to the video. So they reply back, so we look forward to the video you mentioned to help you solve the problem. Now they want me to solve the problem, not them solve the problem. So we'll see what happens. If any hassle, your one Amazon's going to ring me on Saturday. I'll just tell this hassle, because it's not up to me to solve a problem. Like, if the thing's faulty, it's faulty. So we'll see what happens. I'll make this video, we'll send this off, and we'll see what happens. And then I'll do another video on the update. Put the whole lot together.